Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate time-based images using Google Gemini Nano Banana, the brand new feature from Google that lets you edit or transform photo instantly just with a prompt. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini. You can either use the app or simply go to Gemini website. And don't forget to log in with your Google account. And next, just head over to create image, this one, or you can also get it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the AI feature that allows you to generate and edit images instantly. Now just upload the photo that you like to work with. It could be a portrait, a landscape, or even a product image. Anything that you want to transform, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And here's where the magic happens. Just writing your prompt to create a time-based image. Just describe the time transition that you want. For example, you can type like this. For example like this. For example like this, you can copy this exact prompt or adjust it to your liking. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this, the image evolves over time. The transition looks so natural and professional, and it only took one prompt. And okay, that's it. That's how you create time-based images using Google Gemini Nano Banana. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.